Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we get an opportunity to check out the Ortur Laser Master 3 engraving and cutting system. Okay, as some of you guys know, we have a previous Ortur laser, and we did a video on doing a cutting board with the Ortur laser. I'll put an iCard up here so you can check out our previous Ortur video. But the folks at Ortur sent us the Laser Master 3 to check out and put through its paces. Okay, so what are some of the significant differences about this machine versus some of its predecessors? Okay, well, one, this is more of a finished product. If you take a look at this, it's not so much a kit, whether it's more of a complete laser engraver. Okay, also it can engrave up to 20,000 millimeters per minute when doing grayscale photos. It has some excessive cutting power. I love the cutting power in this, especially if you add air assist, and we did that on some of our cuts, and we'll show you what we did. And it's just an all-around outstanding machine. We're going to be able to do some fantastic projects with this. But hey, let me go ahead and show you what we did. All of our projects were sent to the Ortur Laser 3 with Lightburn. However, you can use Wi-Fi with the laser app that you can download from Ortur, and you can cut and engrave straight from your cell phone, iPad, iPhone, or what have you. Okay, but we had ours hooked up directly to the laptop, and we were using Lightburn since I'm familiar with Lightburn for our previous business, and it worked out fantastic. It had a slight learning curve for me because the machine is a little bit different. However, once we got it going, it was fantastic. So, hey, no further ado, we did 3 projects that we want to show you how that came out. We'll put all of the cut times and the power and the speeds and everything up on the screen. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to hit us up in the comment block. Okay, so all right, guys, so for our first project, the Santa tray, we are in Lightburn here, and we have our layer, and our layer is set at 4,000 speed at 100% power. And then if we do a preview on this, this is what the Santa tray will look like. We're going to be putting this on a bamboo cutting board. Okay, the estimated time is 1 hour and 36 minutes. Now we may be able to go a little bit faster, but I'm still trying to get used to the extra speed and power of the Ortur Laser Master 3. So we'll keep refining our settings on future projects. Okay, so we're gonna hit OK, and the Ortur is all lined up, and so we're gonna go ahead and hit start. All right, guys, so this is the finished product from the Ortur Laser Master 3 for the Santa tray. So one of our nieces or nephews really enjoy using this, putting this out Christmas Eve night to put some hot milk and cookies and a carrot out for Santa and his reindeer. Okay, so this, like I said, this was done on bamboo, and it took an hour and a half. Probably could have went a little bit faster, but I am definitely pleased with the results. All right, on to project 2. All right, guys, for project number 2, our man cave coasters, as you can see, we got these all set up in Lightburn. Each one of these were engraved individually. I just put them all on the screen here so you can see them all at one time. All right, so the purple layer, which is most of the engraving, is set at speed 5,000 at 100% power. That can be adjusted also. Like I said, I'm still tweaking my settings. The green line around each one of them was just to give us a framing line for the coaster itself. That did not get engraved, okay? As you can see, we'll do the preview, and this is what the coasters are supposed to look like. And we'll go ahead and get these started in Lightburn. So All right, so that was project number 2, and here's the final results. This is for my brother Big G here. I'm going to be making 3 more of each of these coasters to give them a full set. Okay, so this one is for Big G. And this one here is for James D. All right. And finally, this one's for my baby brother, who we affectionately call Cornbread. Okay. So these came out really nice. Like I said, this is pine wood, and these were really quick. I think each coaster took about 7 minutes. I'll put the time on the screen so you can check it out. And all the settings will be on the screen. But these were really nice. These make great gifts. And, you know, if you want to do something at home as for a hobby, this is definitely the way to go. Okay. All right. So for the final project, the Christmas ornaments. All right, guys, for our final project, we did some Christmas ornaments out of birch wood for name tags for gift bags. Here are 4 of the I think 8 or 9 that we did overall. As you can see, there are 2 layers here. One layer is for the engraving and one layer is for the cutting. Okay, so on these particular ones, the in blue, which is the engraving, I'll zoom in a little bit, that was engraved at a speed of 1,000 at a power of 100. Okay, and then the cut line itself, and I've been doing some testing with cutting, but with air assist, I found for me what works best is a speed of 700 at 100% power with 3 passes, and it seems to cut beautifully. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this started in on the Ortur Laser Master 3 so you can see the results. All right, guys, so here's the finished result. As you can see, these came out really nice. I love the way they came out. We plan on probably just spraying these with some type of sealer, maybe a semi-gloss, what have you. I'll leave that up to the wife. So here's the one for Beverly. Here's the one that you saw for Miss Jasmine. Here's the one you saw for Papa. And here's the one you saw for baby Jordan. And we have several more over here that we did. Like I said, that was just 4 of the many that we've done. We got all of her aunts and sisters and brothers and stuff that we did ornaments for to tie to their bags. So love the Ortur Laser Master 3. It does a fantastic job. Okay, so well, guys, that's it. Like I said, this Ortur Laser Master 3 is fantastic, especially when you add the air assist to it. I had a generic air pump used with the Ortur Laser 3, but I am going to be purchasing the actual Ortur air pump that goes along with this. And we're going to be able to do some fantastic stuff with it. Okay, I already have ideas rolling around in the back of my head. So if you guys are interested in purchasing a laser for home projects or small side business or a small hobby business, then the Ortur Laser Master 3 cannot be beat. For a laser and an engraver and a cutter under $700, you can't go wrong. Okay, so if you have any other questions about this, hit me up in the comments blocks. I'm going to have several links down in the description block for you to check out the Ortur homepage and all of the stats and statistics on the Laser Master 3. And that's about it. So, hey, thanks for joining us this afternoon. Like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then, man, there just might be a barbecue there or an Ortur Laser Master 3 engraving some cool gifts for your family this Christmas. Hey, we'll see you guys in the next video.